Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sinom Denindovu, but since we're getting pretty acquainted, you can call me Snow. In this video, I created this wonderful winter slash summer look. It doubles as both a winter and a summer look for me, guys. For me, it doubles as both a summer and a winter look. I am so happy that I finally came around to filming this look for you guys. I'm so grateful for all the wonderful equipment that my sister has been putting together, because now I can film videos of such quality. If you want to see how I recreated this look, please do continue watching. When you are done watching, please do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell down below so that you're notified every time the videos go up. Let's just get right into it. Okay guys, so I've already primed my skin using this Maybelline Baby Skin Instant Pore Eraser, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to define my eyebrows using this Wet n Wild concealer. It's in the shade Medium Deep Tan. I don't know if I want to start with my foundation or eyeshadow, but I think I'm going to start with my foundation, my all-time fave. You know what it is. This is the Yardley Stay Fast Foundation, combination oily, and I am in the shade M2W. Give it a good shake because it's been sitting in my closet for a long time. So I'm grateful for my sister and stuff, because like she's been collecting like a lot of awesome equipment, and now I'm finally at a place where I can also put out like good high quality content and stuff, and I'm really excited about. Right, so now we are going into the eyes. So I'm going to be using this Colors limited edition eyeshadow palette, and this is my all-time fave, you know. Okay, let's start off with this orange. I think I remember now. So first I'm gonna go in with the orange here and this mustard shade, and I'm gonna mix those two together to create my transition shade. Okay, so I am blending that shade out. I'm using that orange shade to blend it out. So basically what I'm doing is I'm going back and forth with like the orange, the yellow, and the pink until like I achieve the perfect like sunrise. I'm gonna grab this small brush. It's like a small flat brush, and I am going to grab this brown smoky shade here, and I want to create like a smoky wing. are going to go in with some concealer. I am going to use medium deep tan again, and I'm just going to use that to like warm up my face. Next I'm gonna go in with this contour stick. So before that even thinks about creasing, I am going in with my absolute favorite Yardley translucent loose powder, and I am going to use that to set my under eye. Yeah, I love the brush because it gives me like a beautiful airbrushed finish. I don't really know how to explain it, but it gives me like, oh, like it's like the powder just melts onto my skin, and it doesn't have time to like sit and decide whether it's going to be pressed on or whether it's going to be moved around. Like everything just sits exactly where I want it to sit. So next I'm going to go in with my Yardley Stay Fast pressed powder in the shade Caramelized 10, and I'm going to grab this fluffy brush and I'm just going to powder the rest of my face. I'm done doing that. I am going to just put that like all over my face, brushing it everywhere, making sure that it gets into everything. And then when I'm done brushing it onto my skin, I am going to press it onto my skin. So I want to bring back my contour, and I'm going in with this brush, and I'm going to use this Essence Duo Contouring Palette. All of a sudden I can't find my blush. Okay girl, I'm gonna grab this fluffy blush brush and work that all over my cheeks. I'm gonna flush that all over. I'm gonna rub it over my nose. It just brings back like a naturally flushed kind of look. You don't want to add like more product when you using the blush over your nose. You don't want to add like more product, but you just want to use like whatever is on your brush, and you just want to lightly rub it like across your nose. It just gives you like a naturally flushed look, and it just brings back like more color onto your skin. Next, I'm gonna grab my favorite. This is the Rimmel London highlighting palette, and I'm gonna grab a small brush because I want to work that in my inner corner, and I am going to combine these two shades, the champagne one and the gold one. Next, I'm going to grab this Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighting powder, and I'm going in with a smaller brush, and I'm going to use that like on my cheeks. Excited about. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer so you can see. I'm gonna use this blue shade over here, and I'm just gonna work that in my under eye. Okay, this is so cute. See why I said this is both a winter and a summer look? Okay, for the sake of setting spray, I am going to set this look. I'm going to use my beauty blender to press that in. So like I said guys, I am going in with my trusted nude combo, but today I'm going to make it like a little more glossy or shimmery, glossy and shimmery. So I'm just gonna outline my lips with a brown shade. Any brown eyeliner works basically. Just so long as you find like the perfect brown for you, you'll be good. So for today's lippy, I've already lined my lips with a nice brown shade, so I am going to go in with this Wet n Wild shade. I don't know what shade it's in. Never Nude. Yeah, Never Nude. It's so nude, guys. It's amazing. The formula is amazing. It's long lasting, it's creamy, and it doesn't make my lipstick dry. Like when I tell you the perfect nude shade, I mean it's perfect. So I'm gonna go in with this shimmery goldy lip gloss from Smudge. So loves, this is the final look. I am in awe. Thank you very much. I am obsessed. This is a beautiful look. I created this look like 2 weeks ago and I never got around to filming it, so I'm really glad that I finally did today. I love this look. This doubles as both a winter and a summer look for me, guys, for me. But if you enjoyed watching this video as much as I loved creating it for you guys, please don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell down below so that you're notified every time I upload a video, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.